Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making beef stew. Actually, this video is a requested video from my Italian friends, family and subscribers. I decided to make beef stew. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell. In that way you will never miss any of my videos. Let's get started. For this recipe, here are the beautiful vegetables that I'm going to be using. I have some fresh tomato, 2 bell pepper, 2 large onion, half ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, about 6 scotch bonnet. I'm just going to clean up all these vegetables and I'll blend everything together. Here is the beef meat I'm going to use. I'm just going to add some garlic, ginger, thyme, beef stock, nutmeg, I'll add my onions, salt. I'm also going to add 1 scotch bonnet. I'm just going to cover the pot. I will allow the meat to release its own stock. If you have been watching my videos, that is how I normally cook my meat. That helps the meat to have a nice taste. So after 6 minutes before I will add water into the meat. Try it like that. You see, you have a very nice and tasty meat. So as you can see, I'm just going to add some water, then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, I've cleaned up my vegetables. I'm just going to blend everything together. So guys, I just finished blending my vegetables. I'm just going to pour it in my pot and I'm going to cook it until the water is almost dried up. I'm just going to grill the beef meat in my oven. You can as well fry your own if you wish, but I decided to grill my own. So as you can see, the water is almost dried up. I'm just going to set it aside. So now in my pot, I'm just going to add some soy seed oil. That is the oil I'm going to use. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll add some salt. I'm going to pour my onions into my oil and I'll fry it for about 1 minute. That will give you that flavor of onions in your stew. It's time for me to add the tomato paste and I have about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I'm just going to stir it together very well. You don't need to go away from there, you just need to stir it continuously so that your tomato paste will not get burned. So now I'm just going to add my spices. I have about 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of ginger and half teaspoon of white pepper. I'm just going to stir everything together. I'm going to be using 2 Maggi cubes and I'm going to stir everything together very well. Then I'll pour in my blended vegetables. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you all that have been supporting this channel, leaving a nice comment. Thank you so much. God will bless you. And for my new subscribers, you guys are a lot. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to you all guys. And for my old subscribers also, thank you for always coming back. God bless you all. It's time for me to add the beef stock. I'm going to give it a nice stir. Then I'll cover it. I will allow the stew to cook for about 5 minutes. So now it's time for me to add the beef. I'm going to stir it together, then I will allow it to cook for more 3 minutes. I'm just going to cover it for 3 more minutes. So guys, our stew is ready. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and also remember to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my yummy videos.